Welcome. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Our topic today is car flipping, the legal aspect. Number one, you must know the laws in your country. It's imperative. You have to know how many cars you're allowed to sell a year without paying taxes and how many you're allowed to sell without licensing yourself. Two, what is your responsibility as a seller? For example, if the vehicle breaks down 2 days later, what is the legal implications to this? Are you going to get a judgment, a lien against your house? You really got to know in your country what the laws are. And I'm going to tell you what, you got to tell the truth on everything about the vehicle to avoid any future problems. Three, you must know the history of the vehicle. So it's imperative you know all the accidents, the lien history. You really got to check this because whoever you sell it to, it's going to follow the sale of the car. For example, they're going to have to know about the accidents. And can you imagine you give them a lien that you didn't know about? That's very unfair and not good practice. Four, you have to have good templates. For example, a really good bill of sale that covers all boundaries. And this has to be bulletproof for yourself and your buyer. Five, test drives. They must have a valid driver's license. You can't let someone drive your vehicle without a valid driver's license. So it's imperative you check this and you even get a form that they're test driving your car. I would highly suggest you go with them because there's a lot of scammers out there stealing cars. Six, when you buy a vehicle, it's very, very important, the title, the name that the vehicle you're buying is in the name that the bill of sale is in. Because if not, you're gonna have a problem. You gotta make sure it's the correct person. Once again, this is an area for scamming. So make sure you put in your name as soon as possible. Don't leave no time. That way, when you sell the vehicle, it's ready to go. Seven, disclose all and be transparent as much as possible. Don't leave out anything because you want to keep your reputation and you want to cover your tracks and you want to make sure nothing comes back to bite you in the butt later. Eight, any legal papers should be secured in a fireproof, safe place and make backup copies. And if there's any reminders or renewals, put them on your phone or your desk at home. Click on the links below to get my ebooks, courses, merchandise at masteroffinance.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok and like us on Facebook at Carvelli, Master of Finance. Tell all your friends and family worldwide about these great videos. Thanks so much for tuning in today. God bless. Much love.